Hey guys, we all have some kind of addictions or negative obsessions in our life. Negative obsessions like gossiping, eating out, playing video games, sex and porn, and so on and so forth. But what if we were able to use this negative obsession and channel it in the right way? What if we could use it to grow ourselves, to become better? So the point here is we need commitment for that. But because our minds are very fickle, we don't commit to things which we think are long term. We want short term pleasures. And for short term pleasures, we forget commitment. And even if we want to commit, we break those commitments, and there comes a time we put a full stop on those commitments. So the first point is to commit. And in case you're not being able to commit, you need to start doing small things or little things which give you little victories. You don't have to go overboard and think like you have to do it in one day or in a month's time. You have to give yourself time. Little victories will get you to bigger commitments. Little victories like walking more. Do small things in a daily life. Walk more. Appreciate more. Talk with people. Talk to strangers. Just have one or two things which you feel are a challenge for you and which you can do on a daily basis, and it does not take a lot of your time. But start off with those daily commitments. Other issues which I have also seen with people are very extreme in their views. They feel if something is big and something requires a lot of energy and motivation and focus, they won't be able to do it. It is for the clowns to do, to keep those commitments, because they only want to live like normal beings, and they feel like to go there and do things without being distracted, that's not possible for them. But I need to tell you, if you put your mind to something, and if you really want it, and if you are carrying out your little victories every day, and you're scheduling and prioritizing your things, you can always have that mindset of a champion. And that's what's needed to make those changes. So always try and make use of your obsession in the right kind of way, because God knows where it will take you. Thanks for watching.